Hey guys, what's up? So today I thought I'd just do a little video with 66, and yeah, it's November 17th, so it's kind of cold outside, so we'll kind of do somewhat of a cold start. We'll just do a quick walk through, and then we'll go ahead and start the bus, and yeah. So yeah, I don't know. Alright, let's go ahead and I'll go ahead and turn on all the lights and we'll do a little quick pre-trip type inspection. Ooh, that just smells lovely. Got the ambers running. Now we'll go ahead and check the reds. Everything's working good. Go ahead and the side door. You can tell she's cold. So yeah, just thought I'd do a little video. Not much is going on. Just thought I'd update you guys. I've got 2 videos coming up. I'm going to be doing a Bluebird collection video and then a IC Ward AmTran collection video, which I have been talking about for a while now. I just got to do it. So yeah. Let's see, you can see 3 over there. So not much else is going on. Thanksgiving is next week. That's cool. Let me know if there's anything you guys want to see reviewed, like bus models, or if there's something on 66 you'd like to see, or if there's something on 3 you'd like to see, just let me know. Yeah, so thanks for watching. I might add some stuff to this after this video, so I don't know, we'll see. So yeah, thanks for watching. Alright, so I figured I'd just add on a little update of 3 since I'm here. Nothing much has really happened since it's gotten cold. Yeah, so there's 66 from the view of 3. The hood. Got an international emblem that's been magnetized, which all this you guys have pretty much already seen, but I just thought I'd do a little video. Got some LEDs over here. An AmTran RE rear bumper, if anyone needs it, just kidding. Anyways, yeah, not much is going on. So, we'll just go ahead and do a little walk around, I guess. Like I said before, if there's anything you guys want to see or want me to do a video of, feel free to suggest it. So there we have the two together. Too bad 3's not working. So yeah. Next, when it gets spring again, next summer, stuff's going to start to pick up. And if you guys want me to do videos of the work, like as it's being done, let me know. I can do that. So yeah, that's probably going to be it. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Tell me what you think. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.